Jet planes in the night sky with you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry I've been away for so long. I've just been working on some other projects over the pandemic, but now I'm back to making content. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up as well. So to create this rainbow skull makeup, I went into the rainbow colours, different face paints. I will put in the description what brands they all are. And I just sponged those in lines across my face. And then I used the dry end bit of the sponge to blend the two colours in together so that it's not like a harsh line. Using a black face paint, I then painted in the skull eye sockets and also the skull nose, and then I went in with a bigger brush and filled in these shapes with black face paint. And then when you're painting a sugar skull, it's really important to look at like a reference picture. So I always just look at like artist pictures of sugar skulls because they have a lot of details on them. And they always have these like semicircles around the eyes. So I painted those on. And then I started just painting on details with the black paint and a really fine brush. And I just got inspiration, like I said, from artist drawings of sugar skulls. Just want to say that I'm really bad with symmetry, and the whole thing with the sugar skull is that it's all really symmetrical, so please excuse my bad symmetry, but I think once it's all painted on you can't really tell, so don't be too harsh on yourself. And then I wanted to blend something on the chest in with the face. I didn't want to do like a full chest paint, so I thought I'd just paint like a rainbow rib cage on. So I just painted the rainbow colours down the chest in the shape of a rib cage, and I outlined it in black as well and put some little white highlights on it. A few of the face paints I've used are by a brand called Moon Creations that sent me a PR package. And I've not really used them before, but I just want to say that sponged on, they're really bright and pigmented, but when you paint them on, it's not as strong, which is weird. Instead of painting on like skull teeth, I decided I wanted to do a rainbow lip. So I just, like I've done with the face, just painted on the rainbow colours all along my lips, and then I outlined them with a black paint. I carried on the black line at the edge of each mouth, and then I painted a line up and down as well, and that can be a really simple way to do skull teeth. I then went into a pot of fine iridescent glitter that I've got. I don't think it's like a major brand or anything, it's just one I got off eBay, and I just patted it around the design. With a really fine glitter, sometimes you don't need anything to stick it on because of like the moisture in the paint just kind of sticks it on, which is very handy. Just for the final touch, I went around the design with a black eyeshadow on this flat brush just to add a bit of dimension into the look. I also added some white highlights to the design.